A humble ingredient, easily made into a party delight. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. In Italian, this is called melanzana, which originates from mela malsana, meaning unhealthy apple. But eggplant kept southern Italian kitchens going for generations. The climate in the south is perfect for it, so it grows everywhere. It's a humble, abundant, and endlessly adaptable vegetable. It started as a cucina povera ingredient, but by the 19th century it had made its way into the table of aristocracy. The French called this recipe caviar d'Aubergine. We call it crema di melanzane. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog at the link above. Wash the eggplants and cut them in half lengthwise. Lay them cut side up on a baking tray lined with aluminium foil. Now make diagonal diamond-shaped cut into the flesh. Do not cut through the skin. These cuts let the garlic go deep into the flesh and help the heat reach the inside of the eggplant evenly. Slice the garlic clove and press a slice into each cut. You can make it as garlicky as you wish. Lay the thyme sprig over the top, then salt, pepper and a generous pour of extra virgin olive oil over each half. Now cover the tray with a second sheet of aluminum foil and seal it well. Put it in the oven at 180 centigrade, 355 Fahrenheit for full 1 hour. The pulp has to be completely soft when it comes out. If it's not, put it back in. Do not rush this. Leave them to cool completely before you touch them. They hold the heat for a long time. Once they're cool, pull the skin away from the flesh. It comes off cleanly when the eggplants have been cooked properly. Put all the pulp into the blender, include the garlic. It has been roasting inside the eggplant for an hour and is now sweet and soft, with none of the sharpness of the raw garlic. Add the thyme leaves and discharge the stem. Blend until you have a smooth, even texture. Transfer into a bowl, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and scatter some fresh herbs over the top. Serve it with bruschetta, with other dips at the table, or keep some back and toss it through pasta the next day. For more recipe with eggplants, check out the playlist I've linked for you, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out our next culinary adventure. This is better the next day once the garlic and the herbs have settled in.